Once it is nice outside, you know I am in my garden every day, and I love to use what I grow. Today is a delicious asparagus, sugar pea, and radish salad, and you are gonna definitely wanna make this. To start, I make a really simple vinaigrette. Some garlic, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, olive oil, mixed together. And for the salad, I just blanch some asparagus and sugar peas, slice some radish, add some chopped herbs, mix it all together with that vinaigrette, and you have a salad. Seriously, you could not get any more spring in a salad. All of that coming up on today's Wise Guide. Vinaigrettes are so easy, and it's one of those things that I think you need to make it a few times, get to know what flavors you like and the ratios you want. But once you get a vinaigrette you like, you're kind of like, why do I ever buy dressing? Because that thick stuff that comes out of a bottle, we need to have an intervention about that. That'll be another show. For this vinaigrette, I'm using just very simple flavors. Start with a crushed clove of garlic. Yes, I use a garlic press. I know there are a lot of people out there that say, oh no, it's too much. No, it's not. Just crush it through. It's easier. Add some salt and pepper. Squeeze in some lemon juice. Make sure you do not have any of those seeds because we've all hit one of those before and that's no fun. Add some white wine vinegar. I just think the flavor that white wine vinegar has is slightly better. A little bit of Dijon mustard. It balances everything out and gives you a nice tang. Whisk it together with some olive oil until it's kind of emulsified, but really just till it's all the same color. That's all you need to know. Once it's mixed, just set it aside. Asparagus is one of my favorite spring things. I think because it has such a short season, you really have to enjoy it, which is really true for all these vegetables I'm using. I love to go out to the garden early spring and see all that asparagus just popping through. This year, everything is extremely late because Mother Nature didn't ask me and decided to have winter go practically into summer. So everything is late and I'm still enjoying and actually just beginning to enjoy my asparagus and radish. If you can't have your own, don't worry, just buy some from a local farmer's market or a grocery store. If you need to, you can chop off the ends of your asparagus because sometimes if they're picked a long time ago, they'll get kind of dried and hard at the ends. Just chop it into about 3 sections. They're each a few inches long. You can kind of tell, just whatever you can fit on a fork and is a nice bite-sized piece. Next, to prepare your sugar peas, you just kind of want to cut them in half. Again, one, it's a nicer look, but it also is just a nicer bite. You don't want a huge sugar snap pea in each bite, so just cut them in half. Have some boiling water ready, and once it's at a boil, you can just add your salt. I like to add quite a bit of salt to this because it's really gonna help flavor the vegetables, and believe me, you want that. It really brings out the vegetable flavor. I know it sounds weird, but that's really what salt does. I'm just gonna put these into a little mesh strainer because that way you can dunk them right in and then pull them out. We are just blanching, which is a really flash or quick way of cooking. Throw them all in the basket or in the boiling water and you can use a strainer. Place them in the boiling water and let it go for 1 minute. Yeah, you heard me, 1 minute. I wanna keep that crunch, that bright green flavor, so just 1 minute. In that minute, I'm just gonna get my ice water bath ready. Some ice, some water, in a bowl. Yeah, that's all it is. After that minute, just remove them from the water. See how easy it was with that mesh basket? I think I got that at a garage sale. It was the best dollar I ever spent. And then dump it right into your ice bath. This is gonna shock the vegetables and make them stop cooking right away, keeping that crunch and that green. Mix it around just to make sure it's cooling off. While the vegetables are cooling, you can just get your radish ready. Cut off the green tops and those bottoms, that little root that comes out. Don't worry, if you don't grow radish, you can go to any farmer's market or grocery store and find some to pick up. Slice them up. This is quite a bit of radish, but this is what's fun about this salad. It just really uses all these delicious spring vegetables. Once the radish are sliced, you can drain that asparagus and sugar peas. Just put them right into a colander and drain them. If they're still wet, just let them drip a little bit because you want to get that excess water off or the vinaigrette won't stick too well. Add the drained vegetables and the radishes to a large bowl. Chop up some fresh dill. I love dill, and if dill isn't your thing, you can use another herb, but please, let dill have its moment in this salad because it is coming into the room and saying, hello. I'm saying thank you. Throw that dill right on top. chop up some parsley, and I'm gonna say something about the parsley. That's right, I have something to say about everything. Parsley gets a bad rap. What is it? Is it a garnish? Does it have flavor? Yeah, it has flavor. It's green and it has a great vegetal, kind of like bright flavor. So do it, okay? Just use the parsley. I'm using curly here because I think it has a stronger kind of astringent flavor for this. I usually like flat, but curly here is good. Chop it up, add it in, and you know what now? Just add the vinaigrette. Pour it all on top, stir it together, and the salad is ready to go. Not only are the colors extremely bright, the vibrant red, the bright greens, that dill and all the textures, but the flavor is crispy vegetables, crunchy radish. This really is good, and that garlic vinaigrette finishes everything out, pulls all those flavors together. Guys, this is a spring party in a bowl just waiting to happen. If you're loving these recipes from my garden, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and until next time, go make a salad.